sun. We got to take a list for storage. Yeah, and this is okay. Numbers, and we're taking sun. Yes, so this is sum is a variable, like variable equals value. But here this is a function. It is a user defined function which you have created here. It's right here. Okay. Now let's we can traditionally use it like for range like then say taking a number and like that. But let's make it more dynamic. We are using while true running an infinite loop for like here we make it like you have to handle any type of numbers number sorry yep here we have taken a number that's happening numbers dot happen like list dot happen value we tell okay if input enter no yes oh no okay just to remove any trailing spaces do it generally enter in lower this dot after then everything will go in after like that not equal to yes as this is yes and this is low. If this would have been upper, then it should have read cause yes that doesn't appear in upper, right? Low. Okay. So we could have used like equal to more or something like that. This open. Open. You have entered, and for a new line you can either use this and break, just I'm doing it, we can either do this or we can have done print, but let's just go with that. This and this interchangeable, but if you have both then two line gas will be there and that can be an edit. So this is okay, I think we have done it. It's just the indentation, there is some error with it. Just wait. Yeah, now it's okay. And here, if the user inputs something else other than a number, then what to do for that? We will try. No, so let us just at first do the code just simply and then we can modify it. Okay. Then now as we have written here, we want means we are going to display the numbers which the user is input for I numbers. Okay. To print in one line if size exceeds then display okay. Actually I just missed the documentation, but let's just leave it. Oh okay, here we just error. Yeah, we have to do it here. Yeah, that's it. This name. Yeah, that's is it done? Okay. Now here comes the main part. Event. We can either take a separate loop or we can do it like sum plus equal to I or sum equals sum plus I. This we can do, or otherwise we can do take another loop. Just for this, no, just don't panic. Do it. Otherwise the sum will be calculated twice. So here you go. Instead of here, right? You can just like sum plus equal to I. And let's just go with the previous one. Okay. This is done. Now the final part. Calling the function. Now we just got to return the value, right? Return sum. Okay. Calling the function sum. We can do this, and we are trying to print it, so directly we can print. Yeah. The sum. Now let's see what happens. Main, we have just got to change this file to current. Let's take the calculator. Yeah. Here, this guy. Let's do it. Let's run the file. Checking the number. 12.5. Yes. 45.2. Yes. It will take it to lower, and just to avoid any confusion we did that. And then we want like no. Okay. Let's check the sum first. 12.5 plus 45.2 plus 23.0. Yeah. Wait. I'm sorry. 12.5 plus 45.2 plus 23.0. Yeah. See, 80.0, and it is the calculator. It also shows the value 80.0. So, yep, it's done. Now let's do something. Let's just making H by mistake. This happened on this is an error. To handle this, we take try, put in everything inside it, accept. And as it has come outside the block, and but we are going to do it inside itself. So just wait. Yeah. No, it's okay. Come on. Let's see if we get see the number. So now there's no value there. Some any other exceptions. Exception press E. Yeah. As it was. Yes. H. So yes, it should not be because it's already. Now that's 4.4. Yes. H. Now it's because we've already entered a number. This confuses it. Let's just do it. 4.4. Yes. Yeah. 13.4. No. Yes, we can verify it again. I had given 12.4 plus 12.4. Is it? Yes. And so, and here, the sum. Now let's just do 4.4. Yes. 4.9. Yes. What is 4.9? No. Yes. Let's check it again. 1100. 4.4 plus 54.8 plus 4 is 7.8. Yep. And as we let's do one thing. Fraction. Does that and the fractional part. So we can modify that. Okay. So let's paste it here. To check it once again. To check the introduction, we have taken it and we have pasted it here. Set yours. So there is a first one to 5.0. Okay, let's go. It's done.